Morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. The day today is Wednesday, 16th December 2020. Our subject is English Literature, textbook read now, topic The Table and the Chair poem, exercise number 3, write main idea of the poem. Okay, beta, as you know that we have already completed our chapter. So now we are going to discuss what is the main idea. What is the main idea? Main idea is the most important part the author is making while writing. Obviously, if you have any idea, then you are going to write anything now. So, what is the main idea? Main idea is the most important part author is making. When we think something, then we will start writing about anything. For example, if I am thinking about a rainy day, so what comes to my mind? First of all, rain. Okay, this is the main idea to write something. Now move. So what are the strategies? What strategies we use to write a main idea? First of all, use title and headings. How we are going to find out that what is the main idea of the poem? First of all, we have to find out the title and the headings. So what is the title of the poem? The Table and the Chair. What is the title of the poem? The Table and the Chair. So we are going to write about table and chair. Okay, so use the topic sentence. What was the topic sentence? The first sentence is called the topic sentence. So what is the first sentence or the topic sentence? Set the table to the chair. So what is happening in this poem? That the table and chair are conversating with each other. Okay, what is happening in the poem? The table and chair are conversating or talking to each other. So what happened next? After that, we will look at the concluding sentence. Concluding sentence, the last sentence of the poem. So what is the last sentence of the poem? Till they toddled to their beds. Now it is ending on this sentence, till they toddled to their bed. Basically, what happened in this poem? You know that the table and chair wants to go out for a stroll or they want to go out for a walk. So it ends with the same sentence, till they toddle to their beds. Still they are walking or crawling. They didn't stop this activity whole day. What will be the next strategy? Look for the repeated ideas. The same idea which is repeating again and again in the poem, it will be the also tell us about the main idea. For example, I already told you that they are conversating. What they are conversating about? They are conversating to go out and wander or stroll into the street. So the main idea, what will be the main idea of this poem? The main idea of this poem will be that it is a poem about a table and a chair. They are conversating with each other and they are tired being staying at home or being staying at one place. They want to go out, stroll, and move from one place to another. They want to go to the alley or to the street where they met other people or other animals who became their friend. So the main idea of the poem is that the table and chair wants to go out and be free. Okay, so now I have told you the idea or the main idea of the poem. Now you have to write the main idea by yourself. Okay, and your writing idea or main idea should be of maximum 5 to 6 lines. Okay, if you have any kind of problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. This is the end of our lecture. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.